Have you ever thought that just 1 second of carelessness on the road can lead to a serious accident? Car will analyze real-life situations with you, where negligence or wrong decisions can cause disaster. In today's video, we'll cover crashes, warn about bad driving habits, and emphasize the importance of staying focused. Let's follow along to master the lessons about traffic safety and protect yourself.
Tense traffic problem. After a car collided with a truck and caused serious congestion, a container asset behind did not slow down. The lack of observation and slow reaction caused the container to crash into the rear of the four-seater vehicle, making the situation more dangerous. The collision not only caused serious traffic congestion, but also caused heavy damage to the vehicles involved. This is a warning to always keep your distance and pay close attention to avoid unfortunate accidents.
This stressful situation is truly a wake-up call for all of us. When a car lost control and drove into the opposite lane on the highway, the strong impact caused the car to be thrown dozens of meters away. What do you think about this terrible accident? Please share your thoughts below the video. This is a powerful reminder. Speed and carelessness can lead to unpredictable consequences, affecting not only ourselves, but also the innocent people around us.
The four-seater car seemed to have lost control and was uncontrollable. Although the driver tried his best to stop the car still swerved and rotated many times on the road before coming to a complete stop. This situation makes many other vehicles not dare to pass, creating a scary scene on the road. This is a reminder that loss of vehicle control can happen at any time, and we need to always maintain alertness. Have you ever encountered any dangerous situations while driving? Please share with us below this video.
The situation was recorded on a security camera when a tractor suddenly collided with a four-seater car. The rickshaw moved across the road, while the car driver had no time to react as he was driving too fast. The strong impact caused the front of the trailer to fly away, creating a horrifying scene. To avoid this situation, keeping a safe distance and controlling your speed is very important. Driving carefully is the best way to protect yourself and others.
Have you ever encountered any dangerous traffic situations? Please share your story below this video.
A horrifying scene happened at the intersection in the evening, when a group of people were crossing the street when suddenly a four-seater car approached at high speed. Even though the traffic light turned red, the driver still drove too fast and didn't have time to slow down. The powerful impact threw 3 pedestrians into the air and then fell to the ground with such force that all 3 could not survive. This situation is a serious warning about obeying traffic signals. Traffic and pay attention when participating in traffic. 1 second of distraction, 1 minute of impatience can lead to unpredictable consequences. Always be careful and remind those around you about the importance of obeying traffic laws. One morning, a serious collision occurred when the driver risked his life to get ahead. However, because the traffic was too crowded and the distance between the vehicles was very narrow, the driver did not have time to react and crashed into the back of the blue car in front. The strong impact caused both cars to be pushed to the side of the road and then continued to cause a series of collisions with many cars parked on the side of the road. This situation once again emphasizes the importance of keeping a safe distance and not recklessly overtaking when the road is not wide enough. Any hasty action can have serious consequences. Always drive carefully and control your speed to protect not only yourself, but also other traffic participants. Why is keeping a safe distance important? Share your views below.
This situation occurs when a four-seater car is parked in the middle of the road, and at that moment, another four-seater car approaches at high speed and loses control. The strong impact caused both cars to be seriously deformed. Not only causing property damage, the collision also poses a great risk to the safety of the driver and passengers. This reminds us that parking in the wrong place, especially in the middle of the road, can create unexpected, dangerous situations. At the same time, controlling speed and always paying attention when traveling in areas where unexpected vehicles may occur is extremely important. Remember to follow traffic regulations to avoid unfortunate accidents.
A horrifying situation was recorded on the highway when the container lost control, drove wildly, and repeatedly crashed into many vehicles in front. The loss of control of the container caused the cars to be thrown and collide strongly, causing chaos on the road. The collision not only seriously damaged the vehicles, but also posed a danger to road users. This is a warning about the need to control speed and maintain vehicle control, especially when driving large vehicles such as containers on highways. Are you interested in the topic of traffic safety? Click subscribe to follow the channel.
A serious accident happened on the highway between a container truck and a four-seat car. According to the dash cam, the car suddenly pulled over the container while traveling at high speed, leaving the container driver unable to react. As a result, the four-seat car was dragged by the container several dozen meters on the road, causing a horrifying scene. This situation highlights the dangers of turning over large vehicles such as containers. Due to their large size and weight, containers require more time and distance to stop, so unexpected actions of a car can lead to serious consequences.
A reckless situation happened when the car driver tried to pass the truck and container even though the distance was very limited. When the car rushed past, without having time to observe, it immediately collided with the top of the container. The strong impact caused the car to be pushed towards the median strip, but the situation did not stop there. The car continued to rush into the middle of the road, lost control, and crashed into the opposite median, creating a chaotic scene on the road. This is a strong reminder of the importance of keeping a safe distance when participating in traffic, especially when moving between large vehicles such as trucks and containers. A wrong decision in overtaking can lead to serious collisions, threatening the lives of yourself and those around you. Watch this video and don't forget to remind your loved ones about traffic safety.
Intersection, when the signal light turned red instead of slowing down and stopping, the driver deliberately accelerated past the light. Immediately afterward, his car collided heavily with another vehicle that was traveling legally. The horrifying collision caused the car to be thrown several dozen meters away, causing serious damage and causing surrounding vehicles to stop suddenly. This is a clear warning about respecting traffic signals. Pine not only endangers yourself, but also threatens the lives of other traffic participants.
A little carelessness when participating in traffic can lead to tragic accidents. In this situation, it seems that the car driver lost concentration, causing the car moving straight to suddenly lose control and crash into a container going in the opposite direction. The strong impact caused the car to overturn and fall to the side of the road, causing serious damage. This accident is clear proof that just a moment of loss of concentration can have extremely serious consequences. Always stay alert and attentive when driving to ensure the safety of yourself and those around you. Do you think the driver was distracted? Please comment to share. According to the camera, the situation became serious when the truck lost control and collided with the road railing. At that moment, the driver tried to steer to fix the problem, but unfortunately, the car crashed straight into a nearby car showroom. The forceful impact with the guardrail may have caused further loss of control of the vehicle, and the act of steering in such a tense situation only made the situation worse. A truck crashing into a showroom not only causes great property damage and destroys display vehicles, but can also endanger people inside and around the area.
When participating in traffic, keeping a safe distance between vehicles is an important factor to avoid accidents. In this situation, when the oil tanker turned left, a car from behind came quickly without having time to brake. The direct collision with the tanker's body caused the car to be completely deformed. This situation is a stark reminder to control your speed and maintain a safe distance, especially when traveling near large vehicles. Lack of timely observation and handling can cause serious consequences for both the driver and surrounding vehicles.
An oil tanker had a problem and was parked close to the road. Warning signs were placed around the vehicle to warn pedestrians. However, four-seater car drivers do not pay attention to these signs. He was still driving at high speed, ignoring the warnings in front of him. Suddenly, as the car approached, the driver realized the danger, but it was too late to react in time. The collision occurs with strong force, causing serious consequences. All because of a moment of carelessness, leading to unpredictable consequences. Remember, every moment on the road can determine survival.
The situation was recorded from the camera when the truck was suddenly thrown up after experiencing a tire explosion. The explosion caused the truck to lose control, creating a horrifying scene. A tire blowout can happen at any time, especially when we do not properly maintain the vehicle. This is a reminder of the importance of periodically checking tires to avoid unnecessary accidents.
A horrifying scene was recorded when a truck parked on the side of the road suddenly burst into flames. The fire quickly spread, causing the truck to be completely burned. The scary thing is, the fire did not stop there, but continued to spread around, burning many other vehicles parked nearby. The scene of a huge burning truck with smoke and fire covering the entire area made witnesses panic. Nearby vehicles, unable to move in time, were also surrounded by fire, causing heavy damage.
I don't know how they can be more clear.
Thank you for watching until the end of the video. Amcar always wants to bring useful information to help you drive safely and prevent accidents. Please share this video with friends and relatives to raise awareness together when participating in traffic. If you find the content useful, please leave a comment and subscribe to the channel to support us, as well as receive more new and exciting videos about safe driving skills in the near future. Thank you, and see you again.